Three Rivers Archery, your longbow and recurve experts.
Hi, I'm Johnathan with Three Rivers Archery. Today I'm going to be demonstrating the Spinster motorized target go round. Now this is a incredibly fun device to really spruce up your shooting. It's motorized engine that allows you to rotate targets around. Comes with a remote control, runs on a 9-volt battery, very adjustable for speed. And we've got, as you see, some soda bottles here of different size hanging. You can speed it up, slow it down. Great, especially for the instinctive shooter. Really get your hand-eye coordination working, and just like I said, just a lot of fun, which is all what shooting a bow is about. So let's back up and see if we can blow up some soda pops. All right, folks, we're ready to shoot. Little thing to point out: we've got a good backstop when we're strapped to a target. Behind that's an old sand pit, little grown over, as you can see, but we've got a good backing for the shooting. Safety first. So we'll get her going. I'm actually going to slow it down. See what we can do here. Too early. Thought I had that one. There we go. Huh. I know I hit it. There we go. A lot of fun there. We had a great time shooting the Spinster there, didn't we? That's fun. That really spruces up our old practice session. Indoors, outdoors, wherever you'd like to do it, just make sure you're sure of your backdrop and shooting, and you have the space for it. I'm Johnathan with Three Rivers Archery. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please comment below. And if you really enjoyed it, share it with your friends and family. We appreciate it. Have a good day.